How to read comments on thread. So if you found it very difficult to read your comments on thread, or you want to read replies on comments on threads, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to read comments on thread, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the thread app and send it to your account. So you need to sign into your account before you can use thread. Once you signed into your thread account and then you open the thread app just like this, now scroll down to the thread whose comments you want to read. Then let's say this is the comment I want to read. What you just need to do is make sure you monitor the two lines that separate each comment or content on threads, and then click within this box. You can just click on it like this, or better still, just click on it like this. Just make sure you click within the box whose comments you want to read. And once you click on that, you can now scroll down. You're going to have access to all the comments. Also, if you want to read replies on each of the comments you have on threads, all you just need to do is locate the comment with replies. Then you're going to see show replies. Then go ahead and click on that. And once you click on show replies, then you should see the reply under the comment you selected on the thread profile. Then again, repeat the same thing on all other comments that you want to read on thread. And then to read replies under this comment again, just click on the comments itself box like this. Then you're going to see all the comments or replies underneath it. You see that? So you can repeat this on all comments or replies on thread to see comments on thread or read replies on thread's comments. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.